Is it time to buy or sell SoFi stock? In this video, we are diving deep into SoFi. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 11th of September, 2024, our system has ranked SoFi as a hold accumulate, giving it a score of 0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of over 53% since we first recommended purchasing SoFi 34 days ago. This results in an average return of approximately 1.56% per day since it was designated as hold accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Considering the latest developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could move in either direction. The stock has broken a wide and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. Should there be any pullback, support is now established at the level of $10.34, which may present a second opportunity for significant gains. According to fan theory, $11.65 is projected to be the next possible peak, serving as a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 53.66% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 24.16% and 42.4%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of negative 0.5% over the next year, with a potential return between negative 43.97% and negative 8.62%. This translates to a price range of $6.27 to $10.23 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SoFi includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for SoFi stock after gaining 1.82%. The SoFi stock price increased by 1.82% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, rising from $10.99 to $11.19. It has now seen gains for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to observe whether it continues to rise or takes a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.68%, with a low of $11.02 and a high of $11.32. The price has increased on 7 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 11.45% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 9 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 67 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $749 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $11.34, while the lowest price was $6.01. Currently, the price is 1.32%, or 15 cents, below the 52-week high, and 60.40%, or $17.07, below the all-time high reached on the 1st of February, 2021, when the price peaked at $28.26. SoFi Technologies has experienced a significant shift in market sentiment recently, with its stock climbing 44% just in October alone. This surge comes as investors anticipate a strong earnings report, with SoFi set to announce its quarterly results today. Despite a turbulent year that saw shares drop 62% from their peak, SoFi's latest performance indicates a turnaround. Recent trends in the lending sector, particularly improvements in delinquency rates for companies like LendingClub, suggest potential positive dynamics for SoFi. Analysts underline that a solid third-quarter report may already be factored into the stock price, indicating growth could continue if the earnings meet or exceed expectations. Looking ahead, SoFi's strategic initiatives, such as its directed share platform, are expected to enhance profitability by diversifying revenue streams into high-margin investment banking. With consistent generally accepted accounting principles, profitability, and robust revenue growth, the company's prospects for 2025 appear promising. In the short term, factors like today's earnings results could lead to increased volatility in the stock price, while in the long run, sustained operational success and market adaptation could establish a stronger foothold for SoFi. Overall, this combination of optimistic market conditions, strategic growth initiatives, and upcoming earnings announcements positions SoFi for a potential upswing in its stock performance. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned SoFi a buy rating while recommending a hold action. On Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, it was reported that Keefe, Bruyette & Woods rated SoFi as market perform with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs rated SoFi as neutral, while suggesting a hold action. On the same day, Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, Keefe, Bruyette & Woods also rated SoFi as underperform while recommending a hold action. Additionally, on Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, Needham rated SoFi as market perform and suggested a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to SoFi stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also issued a sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for SoFi. The SoFi stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During any downturns, support can be expected at levels of $10.67 and $8.76. A decline below either of these points will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, September 6, 2024, and since then, the stock has increased by 59.63%. Further growth is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has been noted from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, a buy signal. Pivots indicated a buy signal 37 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 11 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a buy signal 19 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 35 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 49 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart, we note the short moving average provided a sell signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 38 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 43 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoFi. SoFi finds support from accumulated volume at $10.93. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock is known for its significant daily fluctuations, and with a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 295 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, which is an increase of 2.68%. In the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 3.84%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for SoFi, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 29th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 4 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoFi. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, SoFi encounters its first support level at $10.93. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoFi from various analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 21st of October, 2024, Keo Kelly conducted an insider sale of 9,308 shares of common stock. On the 26th of September, 2024, Schopenhauer Eric conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the same day, Schopenhauer Eric also conducted an insider purchase of 891,694 shares of restricted stock units. On the 23rd of September, 2024, Keo Kelly conducted an insider sale of 9,308 shares of common stock. On the 20th of September, 2024, Richelle Jeremy conducted an insider sale of 68,081 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 52.663. In total, insiders purchased 8,180,783 shares and sold 27,722,615 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.83, which represents a decline of 3.26%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a notably high level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 87, which further elevates this risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 36 days ago. Is SoFi stock a good buy? SoFi presents several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to recommend it as a buy at this time. Instead, it may be better viewed as a hold or accumulate position while we await further developments. Upon reviewing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 29th of October, we anticipate that SoFi will open lower by 0.15 of a dollar, starting at $11.18. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.